Hello people, welcome back to a new video. There's actually a snowman there because it's been heavily snowing, so I'm going to make a video out of it with an A45 AMG just over here. But we're going to take and have a bit of fun with a few more cars, and this is my first video of 2021, so I hope you enjoy it. But yeah, let's take this A45 AMG and go have some fun in the snow. Right, so James is going to have a few donuts. Not actual donuts, you'll know what I mean in a minute. Go on lad, off you go. Got the X3M Competition coming in as well. Right, next up we've got the X3M Competition. Going to give it a go. So yeah, let's see how this big beast does. Wow, bloody hell. It's like an ice ring, this place. So weird seeing such a big car go sideways like that. And here we have Kate Platt, Gail Platt's daughter from Coronation Street.
Hello.
Got Phil next in the 330D Touring. This should go sideways a little bit easier. I think he's going to launch it, he said. Yep. Didn't go far though, did it? the drone up as well tonight. We've got a bit of a face-off here. Weird looking things when they look at you like that. Looks like some kind of animal or some kind of like insect. A3's trying to drift, but it's just not working with front wheel drive. And there's a curb. Uh-oh, uh-oh. That was close. I think he'll stop from there. I would if I was him. Oh, he stalled it. It was off again.